Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and this is one of those things that I like doing, which is knitting. I like to draw, I like to knit, I like to crochet, I like to do knotting, like tapestry work. And this is knitting on 2 needles. So I have got 20 loops, 20 stitches on the size of needle number 5. And the yarn is cotton yarn, 2 colors of gray and white. And I have knitted quite a bit already of this headband. So that's how we start. So we knit the first loop with a front stitch to make sure, with the first loop. Just a second, I need to take next color. So gray is next. So the gray, we knit the first loop with a new color with gray, and then we knit all as front stitches. This is all you need to know to be able to do this pattern. This first row is knit with a front stitch, everything, every loop with a front stitch. This is the first row. This pattern is suitable for beginners also, so please feel welcome to try and do it yourself. So the last loop I also have knitted with a front stitch to make sure that it does not curve, the edge to be straight and to not curve, so it doesn't curve. First stitch, first loop, we knit it again with a front stitch to preserve the edging so it goes correctly and straight. Then we count 1, 2 purl stitches, and then we take the first needle, the right needle, and place it like so, and we grab the yarn behind these 2 loops, and then these 2 loops we knit together and then release. We knit it with a front stitch. So 1, 2 purl stitches, we grab the yarn from behind, then these 2 loops we knit them together with a front stitch. 1, 2, grab the yarn, and then we knit these 2 loops together with a front stitch. And this is what you need to do in the second row, and then you just vary. You make 2 rows of one color and 2 rows of the other color to create the contrast between 2 colors. You can also try to knit this pattern, to knit this headband in 1 color tone. It doesn't have to be 2 colors like mine. And the last stitch we knitted with a front stitch, reverse. Now we are doing the next row, so pick up the next white color. Hello everyone again. This is the finished design, the finished button for the headband. As you can see, slightly open work. You can see through, you can see my fingers popping out through this button. It's easy to make, absolutely easy to make. You've seen it how you knit it. It's easy to make. Is fantastic. I love the contrast between gray and white and so on. It looks fantastic. It's made of acrylic, no, it's made of cotton yarn, that's right. And it's breathable, it's good for summertime, it's great for holding your hair into place if it's windy outside. It can keep you slightly warmer if the wind blows too strongly in the evenings of summertime. I've done the stitching here carefully. I've made sure I preserved one after the other the right order of the color. As you can see, I've hidden all the stitches, all the needles, odds and ends, and this is how you wear it at the back. Make sure this is at the back of the head, and I think it's very stylish, it's fantastic, it's loving, it's very beautiful design. You can use this pattern also for knitting for children, for men, for women, for anyone that you like, because this pattern I think can be suitable for just anything. Even you can knit it even with one color tone. It doesn't have to be two color combination. It can work even with one color tone, this pattern. I can guarantee you that. So it's fantastic, it's tactile, it's very beautiful in my opinion. I am in love with it, and let's see how it looks on my mannequin. So on my mannequin looks very nice. I love it. Have a look. It covers the ears nicely. It has this stitch at the back which are carefully done. It's on the forehead, fits nicely without being too wide or too thin. It covers the ears. It holds the hair into place if you have hair. It can work with any color of hair or makeup or age. You can see this is a very fashionable and pretty headband. I think you will not regret it if you give it a go and do one yourself. And we see each other in the next video. I hope this is a project you loved and like it enough to knit it, and see you soon in the next video. I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and see you soon. Bye.